Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to skincare and not sure where to begin, you're in the right place. Starting a skincare routine can feel confusing, but don't worry, I'm here to make it simple and easy for you. In this video, I've divided the tips into two parts to help you better understand what your skin really needs. In part 1, we'll talk about basic skincare, what they are, how to use them, and why they're important. And in part 2, I'll share some easy and effective DIY remedies using natural ingredients you may already have at home. So whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your routine, stay tuned till the end for practical, beginner-friendly advice that can make a real difference to your skin. Let's start. First step, basic skincare. 1. Cleanser. Start by wetting your face with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water means mildly warm water, not too hot, not too cold. This helps open up your pores and gets your skin ready for cleansing. Take a small amount of cleanser in your hand and gently massage it onto your face in circular motions, especially on the T-zone, chin, and jawline. Keep massaging for about 30 seconds. Then rinse it off with water. Using a cleanser has so many skin benefits. It deeply cleans your face by removing dirt, oil, sweat, and pollution. It helps prevent pimples, blackheads, and breakouts. Cleansing also makes your skin feel fresh and soft, and it allows your other skincare products to work better. Types of cleansers, according to skin type. For oily skin, CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. For dry skin, Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. For sensitive skin, Avene Extremely Gentle Cleanser Lotion. For combination skin, Innisfree Green Tea Foam Cleanser. For acne-prone skin, COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. For normal skin, CeraVe Daily Facial Cleanser. 2. Moisturizer. Moisturizer hydrates the skin, locks in moisture, and creates a protective barrier that keeps your skin soft, smooth, and glowing. Even if your skin feels oily, skipping moisturizer can actually make it oilier. That's because your skin tries to overcompensate for the lack of hydration. Tips to apply moisturizer properly. Always apply moisturizer on a slightly damp face. It helps lock in more hydration. Use gentle upward strokes to massage it into your skin. Don't forget your neck and under-eye area. Use twice daily, in the morning and at night. Remember, a good moisturizer doesn't just hydrate, it protects, balances, and keeps your skin healthy for the long run. So never skip it. How to choose the right moisturizer, according to skin type. For oily skin, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. For dry skin, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. For sensitive skin, La Roche-Posay Toleriane Sensitive Fluid. For combination skin, Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. For acne-prone skin, Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisturizer for acne-prone skin. For normal skin, Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. 3. Toner. Toner is like the refreshing sip of water your skin needs after cleansing. It clears, balances, and preps your skin for the rest of your routine. So if you've been skipping it, it's time to add toner to your skincare family. How to use a toner properly. Cleanse your face first. Pour a small amount of toner on a cotton pad or your palms. Gently dab or pat onto your face, avoid rubbing harshly. Let it absorb completely before applying serum or moisturizer. Use twice daily, morning and night. Benefits of using a toner. Removes leftover impurities after cleansing. Balances the skin's natural pH. Tightens pores and controls oil. Soothes and hydrates the skin. Preps the skin for the next steps in your routine. Types of toners according to skin type. For oily skin, Paula's Choice Pore Reducing Toner. For dry skin, Elta MD Skin Recovery Essence Toner. For sensitive skin, La Roche-Posay Soothing Face Toner. For combination skin, Mamonde Rose Water Toner. For acne-prone skin co-toners, Grace Day 4-in-1 Acne Bubble Toner. For normal skin co-toners, Heritage Store Rose Water Toner. 4. Sunscreen. Sunscreen isn't just for summers or sunny days, it's a skincare essential all year round. Why is sunscreen important? Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays which cause sunburn, premature aging, wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots and pigmentation. And most importantly, it reduces the risk of skin cancer. What SPF should you use? SPF 30 is the minimum recommended. It blocks about 97% of UVB rays. If you're going out in strong sun, beach, or mountains, go for SPF 50 or higher. When and how to apply sunscreen. Apply 15 to 20 minutes before stepping outside. Use 2 fingers full of sunscreen for your face and neck. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours, especially if you're sweating or outdoors. 5. Drinking enough water. Expensive serums and creams are great, but the most powerful beauty ingredient is already in your kitchen. It's water. Why is water important for skin? Our skin is made up of cells, and every single skin cell needs water to function properly. When your body is well hydrated, your skin looks fresh, plump, and naturally glowing. But when you're dehydrated, your skin becomes dull, dry, tight, and even more prone to wrinkles. How much water should you drink daily? On average, aim for 8 to 10 glasses per day, which is around 2 to 2.5 liters. If you're active, sweating more, or it's summer, your body might need even more. Skin tip. If your lips are dry, skin feels tight, and you're always reaching for lip balm or moisturizer, that might be a sign you're not drinking enough water. You can also try infused water for added skin benefits. Cucumber plus mint, for cooling and hydration. Lemon plus honey, for detox and brightening. Orange plus ginger, rich in vitamin C for glowing skin. Second step, DIY remedies. DIY face cleanser. 1. Cucumber and rose water cleanser, cooling and refreshing. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons cucumber juice, blended cucumber. 1 tablespoon rose water. How to use. Mix and apply with cotton. Let it stay for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. Best for all skin types. Benefits: soothes sunburn, controls sweat, and gives instant freshness. 2. Tomato juice cleanser, tan removal plus pore tightening. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon fresh tomato juice. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. How to use. Apply evenly on face, leave for 5 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Best for sun-exposed, oily, or pigmented skin. Benefits: fights sun damage, brightens, and shrinks open pores. DIY face moisturizer. 1 orange peel and yogurt moisturizer, brightening plus light hydration. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon orange peel powder, sun-dried and ground. 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. Half a teaspoon aloe gel. How to use. Apply a thin layer for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse or leave a thin coat overnight. Best for dull, oily, or tanned skin. Benefits: fades tan, refreshes skin, and adds glow. 2 green tea and aloe vera spray moisturizer, mist style. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons brewed green tea, cooled. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Spray bottle. How to use. Mix and pour into spray bottle. Shake before use. Spray lightly throughout the day. Best for all skin types in extreme heat. Benefits: controls oil, tightens pores, refreshes anytime. That brings us to the end of today's video. We covered both the basic skincare routine and some natural DIY remedies that are great for beginners. Start small, be consistent, and your skin will thank you. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets me know what kind of content you enjoy.